Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to extend the RAM. Okay, so we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, we can click on the search icon and simply type RAM, find RAM Plus, click on that, make sure that it's enabled. Right in here you can see that in my case it's on, and below you can see the value of the RAM that we can select. So the minimum value is 2 GB, but we also have 4 GB, 6 GB, and the maximum value is the 8 GB. In here you can read how this works. So the RAM Plus uses your phone's storage space to provide virtual memory. Choose more virtual memory to allow more apps to stay open in the background. Choose less virtual memory to keep more storage space free. So this is how this option works. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.